Hey, everybody. Good to be welcome. Let's do the 2021. I said 2020. 2021 Bowman Inception, the half case number one, essentially filled. Well, I mean, in 3 months that it was sitting in the store, so we got pretty close on it fast. So if you would, well, let me put this up here first too. 2021 Bowman Inception number one. It's listed as store as well, just in case there's some confusion. Okay. What I think is an accurate team list. We're going to find out sooner than later. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Get this out of the way. Take you in. Here's one of the cases that they have mailed to me. Sent it in the post, as it were. Oh, we can do halvesies on it. Like front half, back half, quarter half. Okay. I'll go right hand side first. Why not? For number one. Let's see what we're talking about. I mean, look at it. It is Inception. I believe I refer to it as the smooth jazz of baseball cards. With their lovely stylings and whatnot. There's a pack of cards. Will these go in hundreds? Putting them in 130s. I don't know. Let's find out what this stack looks like. Autos there and there. So two. Flip it, smack it, roll it around. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Let's start off with a Brennan Davis for the Cubs. Just taking my myself a nice look out of the it probably like all of this gold embossing is what forced it to be delayed 3 months, between 3 and 100 months. So repeat, how are you doing today? A Rutledge to 99 for the Nationals. Let's see. Are these hundreds or are they bigger? So, no, a perfect 100. So there we go. Okay. Armando Cruz for the National. What is that? I can't even read it, but I'm guessing that's like a first Bowman or something. Or initiation. Now I can read it on with the camera. Oh, to 600. That's not good. That's not good. Patrick Bailey for the Giants. We can kind of move through this a little bit. 600. That's unnecessary. Edward Cabrera for the Marlins, and our first couple of autographs. 665 out of 600. So that's why it took him that many months to get him to sign them all. Goodness gracious, 65 out of 600. That, my friends, is outrageous. Outrageous. But this is what it is. Not to 600, to 99. Alcantara for the Yankees. Nice little pippity pop for the Bronx Bombers. Nice card. I mean, they do look good. They do look very nice. 600 though. Goodness. I mean, so these kids are signing like 1,000 cards probably. I mean, because you got to do 600 of those, and you got to do the 90 and the 99s, the 150s, the 25s, all that. I guess that's one way to look at it, Nick. One way to look at it. Ooh, maybe 3 autographs in this one, perhaps. A Batty for the Mets. But is it technically base? Heriberto Hernandez for the Rays. Mackenzie Gore, Padres. Bryce Terang for the Brews Crews. Well, I mean, I'm just guessing since there was... I mean, it still only maybe 2. But because there was only 1 base on the bottom, which is odd. Hassel for the Padres. And for the Brewers, to 600, Jefferson Kiru. I still think it's like a little scooter. His autograph looks like a little scooter. A nice little scoot. Well, we got some low numbered stuff, low numbered stuff. 5 out of 5. St. Louis Cardinals, Ivan. Thought it would be difficult to pop an eBay 101, but we have managed to do so. An eBay 101. 5 out of 5 for Herrera. Nice one for the Cardinals. I mean, see, they call it a base prospect autograph, but I mean, really, that's not base at all. Mason, there's not really a schedule. If a break of stuff fills. So, I mean, I would love to say yes, but it's just as stuff fills. I mean, as the night goes on, I'll try and do fillers in the room to speed stuff up. Like, if stuff doesn't have to sell strictly through the store to go, but there is not a schedule per se. Now, eBay does have when I do eBay breaks, they do have a schedule. But store stuff, no. Yeah, let's see. We got still maybe 1 base. All right. Xavier Edwards for the Rays. A Tyler Freeman for the Indians. A Alcantara for the Cubs. The Inception. Nolan Gorman for the Cardinals. To 768,000. Or 75. Case Williams for the Reds. 47 out of 75. And it looks like we have a triple auto box, as Raul did claim to me that they did exist, and now I believe him. Now there's to 600. The Infante. It's a 6-0 for the Nationals. That's just seems unnecessary. I mean, 300, was pretty rough, but now you're gonna go 600. And a Inception Leover, 35 out of 99, silver ink. Is it true? John, I don't know. I mean, sometimes they just mail you back poop. You do that sometimes. speaking of redemption, we appear to have one right now. A Alexander Vargas to 75 for the Yankees. You got some Topps cardboard boxes you want to send in? No, they do look good. I mean, better than years past. Like, I mean, there's kind of like a just a nicer quality to it, like a shine on it almost. So that's nice. All right, then a Pedro Pineda for the Athletics. Francisco Alvarez for the Mets. Is it only Austin May? Is he the only redemption? Cespedes for the White Sox. I mean, they don't foil. I mean, that's a little bit much. I don't know. The Casas for the Red Sox. And to 600, a Pedro Martinez for the Rays. I didn't know there were vets in this. Who knew? Who knew? And it is, in fact, not Austin May, the redemption, but is, in fact, someone else. Someone different, even, by the name of Spencer Torkelson. Detroit Tigers silver signings, even. Card number ISS-ST. Nice one for Brad. Nice half case so far. That would be fancy, Nick. That would be fancy if I could manage to do that. I would be impressed with myself, I think. 75, Soderstrom for the Athletics. Oh, no. Yeah, I mean, the Genter, I mean, if it fills itself, I mean, we have waited so long for Inception. We got to go hard on this one. And Ed Howard for the Cubs. The Jordan Groshans. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Pricing-wise, kind of just made more sense to go, halvesies. Marco Luciano for the Giants. Jason Dominguez for the New York Yankees. To 600, a David Garcia for the Rangers. And a nice one for the Blue Jays. And Austin Martin. eBay 101, 1 out of 99 silver signature. Come on. I mean, indeed, this is the stuff. I mean, it's been marinating for months, literally months. We've been waiting for this. To 75, a Riley Green for the Tigers. A Torkelson for the aforementioned Tigers. God, these sleeves. Colmenares for the Rays. A initiation bit of action. Nice for the Rays. Colmenares for the Giants. Michael Bush for the Dodgers. And next autograph, the 600 Cleveland Indians, Angel Martinez. Interesting choice of autographs. There it is. And a Gage Workman to 600 for the Tigers. The whole Gage. They're bamboozling each other with these weird circle signatures. That would be something odd, would it not, Slippy Pete? All right, to 99, Gabriel Arias for the Indians. Now we got the Torkelson for the Tigers. Colmenares for the Rays. Looks very happy. Very pleased with himself. The Palmares for the Giants. And it looks like another triple auto box. Ho-ho! Everybody. To 600. A Gilberto Jimenez. 164 out of 600 if you were keeping track of such things. Red Sox action. Then we move to the Pirates. Shaylin Polanco, 43 out of 99. And third autograph going to the Atlanta Braves, Jared Schuster, 11 out of 600. 600 is too many. I mean, if I'm being frank, weren't the old ones? Weren't the old ones like 300? I mean, that was like borderline too much, but. All right, 225 Padres, Mackenzie Gore, 18 out of 25. That's a nice looking card. The color is it's very beautiful. It is very beautiful. Gunnar Henderson for the Orioles. Maximo Acosta for the Rangers. Bay for the Pirates. Okay, it is nice. It is a good color. I may take that to Home Depot or something to see if they can color match that and paint one of my rooms in that or something. Wait. Yeti for the Marlins, and our last two autographs are going to go to the Cleveland Indians. Tanner Burns, let's say. Burns. 600. And finish up to 75 for the Rangers. Maximo Acosta. All right, so that is it. All right, so we will have a recap. To 75, the Acosta. To 600, the Burns for the Indians. The 600, Braves, Schuster. 99, Polanco, Pirates. 600, Jimenez, Red Sox. 600, Workman for the Tigers. 600, Martinez for the Indians. The Silver Ink for Austin Martin, Blue Jays. 600, Garcia, Rangers. Another silver for Torkelson of the Tigers. 600, Martinez for the Rays. Another silver for Pirates, Leover. Infante to 600 for the Nats. The Case Williams to 75 for the Reds. 600 for Jefferson Quiero, Yo Quiero. To 99, the Alcantara for the Yankees. The Bulevis to 600 for the Athletics. And 5 out of 5 Herrera for the Cardinals. A nice bit of fancy hotness. I expect great things out of the rest of this case. Thank you, everybody, and I'll get straight up to you.